Good morning, students of Standard 9. Today I am going to put before you one important numerical based on mole concept from your NCERT exercise. And this is the last question in your exercise from NCERT book. You can see your third chapter, which is atom and molecule. So from atom and molecule chapter, this question I have taken as example before you how to solve this numerical problem based on mole concept. First of all, students, let me say before you the question. Question is, calculate the number of aluminum ions present in 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide. So first of all, we have to write here whatever information has been given here. First of all, we have to find out number of aluminum ion. So in symbol, aluminum ion is written as Al to the power 3 plus. So this we have to find out number of aluminum ion. Okay? Present in 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide. Given aluminum oxide equal to 0.051 gram. Right? So 0.051 gram aluminum oxide you have been given, and in that aluminum oxide you have to find out the number of aluminum ions. Okay? So students, how to solve this problem? First of all, if I ask you what is the molecular formula of aluminum oxide, then you tell me Al2O3. This is the formula of aluminum oxide. Now you think over it, when you will get aluminum ion from aluminum oxide? Certainly when aluminum oxide will decompose, then it gives out aluminum ion. So I am going to write this equation like this: 2Al to the power 3 plus 3O to the power 2 minus. Right? So students, aluminum oxide when decomposes, it releases 2 mole of aluminum ions and 3 moles of oxide ion. Here we will ignore oxide ions because about oxide ion question does not ask us. Question asks us about aluminum ion, so we will consider here about aluminum ions. Right? Now students, first of all, we have to find out the molar mass of this given aluminum oxide. So what will be molar mass of this given aluminum oxide? So already you are looking here, there are 2 atoms of aluminum. So 2 into atomic mass of aluminum, and already you know atomic mass of aluminum is 27. So here I wrote 27 plus. There are 3 atoms of oxygen. So 3 into atomic mass of oxygen, already you know 16. So I put here 16, and now we multiply this. So 54 plus 48, and if you add them, you will get 102 gram. So this is the molar mass of aluminum oxide, 102 gram. Now, students, you can see here, this 102 gram aluminum oxide gives us 2 mole of aluminium ions. 2 mole aluminium ions. Now you already know 1 mole of any substance contains particles 6.022 multiplied 10 to the power 23. So here are 2 mole of aluminium oxide. So number of particles, what will be? Number of particles or ions what will be? So you have to multiply this 2 mole of by 6.022 multiplied 10 to the power 23. And when you multiply this, what will come? 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 0 0 and 6 to the 12. So 12.044 multiplied 10 to the power 23 aluminium ions. But students, this aluminium ion is present in 102 gram of aluminium oxide, and we have to find out in 0.051 gram aluminium oxide. So next, now in 102 gram of Al2O3, number of aluminium ion equal to 12.044 multiplied 10 to the power 23. Hence, in 0.051 gram aluminium oxide, what will be? 12.044 divided by 102 multiplied 0.051, right? And this is 10 to the power 23. Now students, we have to solve this problem. If we solve this problem, you will get the answer of this question. So here we have to solve this. So from 2 you can see 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4. And now students, this 51 and this 51 will be cancelled out. So what will be? 6.022 okay. Now solve like this. First of all, you have to write this like, and this will cancel, so you will get this multiplied 10 to the power 23, and now this here you cancel and you will get 6.022 multiplied 10 to the power 20, and this is the number of aluminium ions present in 0.051 gram of aluminium oxide. Okay, so I hope certainly you have been understand the question, and this is the important topic from your 3rd chapter, and you have to practice at your home more and more, and all the questions should be solved by you given your exercise of NCERT book. Thank you very much.